Welcome to our channel. Whether you're a student cramming for exams, a professional juggling multiple tasks, or simply someone who values mental clarity, today's video is for you. We're diving deep into the world of brain health to uncover the top 10 supplements that can boost your cognitive function, improve memory, and enhance overall brain performance. Ready to unlock your brain's full potential? Stay tuned. You won't want to miss this. What if the key to sharper focus, better memory, and mental clarity was just one supplement away? Omega-3 fatty acids. Fuel for your brain. First up, omega-3 fatty acids, specifically EPA and DHA, found in fish oil. These essential fats are like premium fuel for your brain, critical for both function and development. Studies show that omega-3s can significantly improve memory, mood, and overall cognitive performance. Imagine your brain as a high-performance engine. Omega-3s are the top-grade oil that keeps everything running smoothly. Are you giving your brain the fuel it needs to operate at its best? Phosphatidylserine, the brain's armor. Next on the list is phosphatidylserine, a phospholipid that acts as a protective armor for your brain cells. This supplement is especially powerful for improving memory, attention, and learning, critical functions as we age. Bonus insight. It's particularly beneficial for older adults facing age-related cognitive decline, but everyone can benefit from a little extra protection. Could this be the secret weapon to preserving your mental edge? Ginkgo biloba, the brain's circulation booster. Ginkgo biloba is our third pick, a renowned herbal supplement that enhances blood flow to the brain. Improved circulation means better oxygen and nutrient delivery, directly boosting memory, focus, and overall cognitive function. Think of your brain as a thriving city. Ginkgo biloba opens up the highways, ensuring everything moves efficiently. Is poor circulation holding your brain back from peak performance? Bacopa monnieri, the brain's communication enhancer. Bacopa monnieri is a powerful herb used for centuries in Ayurvedic medicine. Known for enhancing memory and cognitive function, it works by improving communication between neurons and reducing oxidative stress. Imagine your brain as a bustling network of emails. Bacopa monnieri speeds up the connections, ensuring every message gets delivered instantly. Are your neurons firing on all cylinders? Vitamin B complex, the brain's energy source. Next, we have the B vitamins, particularly B6, B9, folate, and B12. These vitamins are crucial for brain health, helping to produce neurotransmitters and reduce homocysteine levels, which can be harmful to the brain. Bonus tip: a deficiency in B vitamins can lead to cognitive impairments and mood disorders, so make sure you're not missing out. Are you getting enough of these brain-boosting vitamins? Rhodiola rosea, the brain's stress shield. Rhodiola rosea is an adaptogenic herb that helps your body adapt to stress while enhancing cognitive function. It's particularly effective at reducing mental fatigue, improving concentration, and boosting mood. Picture yourself as a warrior facing daily stress. Rhodiola rosea is the shield that keeps you strong and focused, no matter what comes your way. How well is your brain handling stress? L-theanine, the brain's focus enhancer. L-theanine, found in tea leaves, is known for its calming effects and its ability to enhance focus and attention. It increases the production of alpha brainwaves, promoting a state of relaxed alertness. Bonus insight. Combine L-theanine with caffeine for enhanced cognitive performance, without the jitters. What if you could stay calm, focused, and alert all day long? Curcumin, the brain's protector. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It can cross the blood-brain barrier, improving memory and reducing symptoms of depression. Think of curcumin as a protective shield, guarding your brain from the wear and tear of aging. Are you doing enough to protect your brain from long-term damage? Acetyl-L-carnitine, the brain's energizer. Acetyl-L-carnitine is an amino acid that helps produce energy in brain cells. It's been shown to improve alertness, focus, and mental clarity, making it particularly beneficial for combating mental fatigue. Imagine your brain as a battery. Acetyl-L-carnitine recharges it, keeping you energized and sharp. Is your brain running out of juice? Magnesium, the brain's relaxation mineral. Last but not least, we have magnesium, essential for countless biochemical reactions in the brain. It's crucial for nerve function, helps reduce brain fog, enhances learning, and improves mood. Bonus surprise. Magnesium also promotes better sleep quality, which is vital for cognitive health. Are you getting enough of this vital mineral to keep your brain calm and clear? Bringing it all together. Your brain health plan. Now that you know the top 10 supplements for brain health, you're equipped to make informed choices that can enhance your cognitive function and protect your brain as you age. But remember, these supplements work best when combined with a healthy lifestyle. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and good sleep. Consistency is key. Small, daily actions can lead to significant improvements in your brain health over time. Always consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen to ensure it's right for you. Until next time, stay healthy, stay sharp, and take care of your most important asset, your brain. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with friends who might benefit, and subscribe for more health tips and information. Stay sharp, keep your brain in top shape, and remember, every decision you make today is an investment in your future mental clarity.